Well, that's not a bad start at all, is it? It's within 1 minute. I just dropped my bag on the seat in the shelter and got my camera out, and there it was. I can't grumble at that. Just to let you know, we're at Wolverton, and just a question for all you good subscribers. People ask me questions on YouTube, I answer the question, and then the question, when I come up again to look back at it, is disappeared. Where does it go? Now, a number of people ask me the same question. What is the water train? What does it carry? The water train comes from France, the other side of the English Channel. It comes through the Channel Tunnel to Dollond's Moor, where it parks up for a while. Then it leaves Dollond's Moor and comes to Wembley in London. And then it rests there for a while, and then it comes up here where you've just seen it, and it goes to Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal, which is a couple of miles south of Rugby. There it unloads all of its bottled water, that's what it carries, and it's then distributed by road to local supermarkets. There's the postie coming. Here at Wolverton, we've got many strange things. There's a fly on my camera. Here at Wolverton, there's many strange things happening. There's 4 platforms. Platform 1 and 2 are the expresses. Platform 3 and 4 are the freight and the slower trains. On platform 2, she announces, stand well back from the platform edge. The fast train is approaching. Move back wheelchairs, push chairs and all that. And then immediately after she said that, she repeats it. So she says it twice. Now, this has happened on 2 occasions and no train has appeared. But when she only says it once, like just now, 1 train passes through. That's fair enough. So I don't quite understand that. And at the same time, a slow train, stopping train, comes down into this platform totally unannounced. And also, if you look up there, outside the shelter, whoa, Well, I'll say it again. It's a good job I got the camera running. No announcement for that whatsoever. Well, I don't know what's going on, but anyway, outside the shelter is a new platform indicator board telling you what trains are coming and what time, etc. You can't read a damn thing on it. It's absolute rubbish. So there you go, that's what's going on at Wolverton. Okay. Here we have another situation. Please stand well back from the edge of platform 2. Fast train approaching. Please stand well back from the edge of platform 3. Fast train approaching. So I stand up waiting, and without any notification at all, a train pulls into platform 4. Meanwhile, while that's standing there, a train goes along platform 1, but nothing on platform 2 and 3. What is going on? I think the gremlins are eating the cables. I've got to say that I think I'm going crackers. Announcements. Please stand well back from the edge of platform. Pardon me, platform 2. Fast train approaching. Please stand back from the edge of platform 2. Fast train approaching. Please stand well back from the edge of platform 4. Fast train approaching. So I stand up, there's a guard on there that I know, but I didn't see who it was. So I stands up, fully to attention. Poised and ready for action. Nothing anywhere. And then about 8 minutes later, stand well back from the edge of platform 2, fast train approaching. Stand well back from the edge of platform 3. I thought, I can't believe this. But then we had that freight train, the one with the open trucks. So that was good, and I was all ready for that. And then finally, we had that passenger train that's just gone through platform 4, no announcements whatsoever. It's not me, is it? Surely. Okay, my beautiful people, so not quite 3 hours, about 2 3/4 hours, so I hope you've enjoyed it in this beautiful sunshine. I'm going home now to have a nice cup of tea. Bye bye. There you go, over there. I was just going to get in the car And I heard my bonus shot coming. Tally ho.